Happy Independence Day! Let's celebrate the Knowledge Hive way with 13 powerful English words that capture what freedom truly means. Sovereignty, meaning the full right and power of a country to govern itself without outside interference. Example, Pakistan gained its sovereignty on the 14th of August, 1947. Another example, every nation values its sovereignty above all else. Liberation, meaning the act of being set free from oppression, control, or imprisonment. Example, the liberation of the subcontinent came after years of struggle. Another example, she felt a deep sense of liberation after finishing her exams. Patriotism meaning, a love, devotion, and loyalty toward one's own country. Example, patriotism fills the air every August across the country. Another example, his patriotism showed in the way he always defended his homeland. Sacrifice, meaning giving up something valuable or important for the sake of a greater cause. Example, our ancestors made countless sacrifices for this freedom. Another example, she sacrificed her weekend to help her friend move houses. Resilience, meaning the ability to recover quickly and stay strong after hardship or difficulty. Example, the resilience of the people helped the nation rebuild after every crisis. Another example, his resilience inspired everyone who watched him overcome failure. Unity, meaning the state of being joined together as one, working toward a common goal. Example, unity among the people was the key to independence. Another example, the team's unity helped them win the championship. Allegiance, meaning loyalty or commitment to a nation, cause, or leader. Example, soldiers pledged their allegiance to protect the country. Another example, her allegiance to her team never wavered, even in tough times. Homeland, meaning the country where a person was born or feels they belong. Example, millions traveled far to reach their new homeland in 1947. Another example, no matter where he lives, he never forgets his homeland. Martyr, meaning a person who suffers or dies for a greater cause or belief. Example, we remember the martyrs who gave their lives for our freedom. Another example, the soldier was honored as a martyr for his bravery. Struggle, meaning a hard and continuous effort to achieve or resist something difficult. Example, the freedom struggle lasted for decades before independence was won. Another example, it was a real struggle to finish the project on time. Emancipation, meaning freedom from restriction, oppression, or control. Example, emancipation from colonial rule changed the course of history. Another example, the new policy brought emancipation to thousands of workers. Legacy, meaning something valuable handed down from the past to future generations. Example, the legacy of our founding leaders still guides the nation today. Another example, her grandfather left behind a legacy of kindness and hard work. Pride, meaning a strong feeling of satisfaction and honor from an achievement or belonging. Example, there is nothing like the pride we feel on Independence Day. Another example, he spoke about his country with pride and confidence. On the 14th of August, 1947, Pakistan came into being after a long and difficult freedom movement, led by Muhammad Ali Jinnah and the All India Muslim League. It was a movement shaped by immense sacrifice, mass migration, and the hope for a homeland where millions could live freely. Every word we learn today is not just vocabulary. It is the story of this nation. Happy Independence Day, Pakistan.